Hey, leave the way.
I just sustained the fracture.
And so? I have a date to catch. You're wasting my time. Get out of the way now.
You should at least show some little sympathy.
Are you out of your mind? Are you okay? I said get out!
Why would a beautiful girl like you be this heartless?
You are mad. Look at this poverty-stricken son of a nobody. You have the guts to talk back at me, right? I don't blame you. I blame poverty. If you don't leave my way this minute, I'll kill you. I don't give a fuck. Get out! You should have stayed now. No, you should have stayed. I would have killed your ass. POS.
Afternoon, ma'am.
50,000.
Oh. Please, your card. Please, your PIN. Ma'am, you look extremely beautiful. I like you. I would like to have your number if you don't mind.
You're very stupid. Do I look like your class? Useless thing. Fred?
Hi, yeah. The one Abigail told you about. You're calling my phone.
You?
Yes.
So it's actually you. Abigail has finished me. What kind of nonsense is this?
What? Come on, don't give me a red flag. I don't love you.
God punish you. Which red flag? Oga, we are not in the same class. Look at yourself from head to toe and look at me. Are we same thing? Are we in the same level?
Well, yeah, you bet.
You are mad. Bell kill you there. Look at this thing, oh. Can't you see the disparity? I am the daughter of the Major General in the army. There is no way on earth I will stoop so low to date someone like you. What nonsense!
I'm my kind of woman.
You are mad. You are raving mad. I can never be your kind of woman. Not in this life, not in another life if there is. Are you mad? I don't date broke guys. Look at you. Poverty-stricken son of a nobody. What nonsense!
You're not looking bad at all.
You said that earlier and you're still saying it again. What's that?
I mean, look at how you
Of course, I'm your cousin. You always say that I'm beautiful now. Oh, come on. Monkey over your mama like that. What that? Oh, see who we have here. My beautiful friend, Beauty. I promise you yesterday. Beauty without stains. Beautiful beauty. How are you? I'm fine, darling. You immediately just got here. The sun became brighter. My most beautiful friend, Beauty, with my cousin, Frederick, who's an academic boy, and with my radiant friend, Beauty. Hi. Well, Beauty is she has such a lovely personality. Trust me, she's the best person you can ever meet. I promise you.
What are you doing outside?
Well, just seeing my cousin up.
It doesn't have a car.
No,
Whatever.
Yeah.
I'll see you some other time, I love you. Friend.
I'm not actually a broke guy. You don't judge a book by its cover.
Oga, I don't need to judge. I already know that you are broke. From your head to toe, you look broke. Look at your shirt. So cheap. Look at your trousers. Look at your sandals. Looks like 300 naira sandal from Aboki. Look at... Oh my God, Abigail has finished me. Have you brushed today? Look at your teeth. Huh? What is this? You smell. You're stinking. You smell of poverty. The last time I saw you, you were using Legady's Benz. Nothing has changed though. This is the second time I'm seeing you. You're still trekking on the road. What is wrong with you? No. What is wrong with Abigail?
Babe, you should have asked my cousin about me before pouring your venom on me.
I don't need to ask about you. Men see you at all. You are broke. There's brokenness in your DNA. Jesus.
Beauty, I don't just want you to be my girlfriend. I want commitment. I want to marry you.
No, repeat what you just said.
I want to marry you.
You are mad. You want to marry who? Are you out of your mind? You are stupid. I don't blame you. I blame Abigail. I will deal with her when I get to the house. But have you seen my man? My man is classy, expensive, very rich. That man smells of luxury. Look at the rag. Animal. Wait, you mean I dressed all the way just to come and see you? I wore my expensive dress, expensive outfit and shoe just to see someone like you? You want to marry something big. Go to the village and look for Ngweke. There's so many local girls around. I'm not your class. I'm not your type, and it can never be. Nonsense.
I like that, babe.
Forget about that girl. You can never have her.
I can. Why did you say so? I mean, am I not a man?
Of course you are. You fall in love with the daughter of Major General in the army.
Wow. Her father is a major in the army.
See, if you don't have money, don't have a car, you can never be as big. See, if you know what that girl does to men, you will hate her and everything that has to do with her.
Are you freaking kidding me?
See, you speak so well, but that is not enough. Beauty wants an already made man and not some broke ass nigga.
Beauty. Is that her name?
Yes, that is her name.
Wow. She's extremely beautiful.
There is nothing beautiful about a girl who does not have a good character trait. She knows she's beautiful and she allows that get into her head. That makes her so arrogant and pompous. I've been telling you these things and you are still telling me beauty, beauty, beauty.
I've heard you. What about her parents?
Her parents are well-to-do. I just told you she's the only daughter of a major general in the army. Army! Leave that side.
I would like to know more about this girl. Like everything there is to know about this amazing beauty.
How that? Hey, where you dey go?
Hi, my name is Kajitan and I'm here to see Beauty.
On appointment?
Not really. Please, inform her that the POS guy down the road wants to see her. I actually brought something for her.
Yeah.
Yes.
Stand that side first.
I could just stand under the shade.
Bros, move out. Go out. I say make you walk. Go stand outside.
I'm here to see Beauty, please. Can you please help? Call her for me.
I say go stand outside. May I brush you?
I will, but please. Okay, let me just stand here. Let me stand under the shade.
I will hose you now. We are stand outside now. Grace, bomb say your head abi. You dey Grace. I took by idiots. God will punish you.
What has Beauty done? How can she just conclude on a guy she knows nothing about? Simply because she saw him in my house and he was trekking. He didn't come with his car, so she just felt he was broke. I mean, we're talking about Fredo, my cousin, an Abuja big boy who has his own duplex in Abuja, even owns a water factory. Oh my God, Beauty, you had the nerve to slap my cousin. Fredo, Abuja big boy. Hey, this girl is crazy. Okay, we shall see.
Who is the person that wants to see me?
Now that one guy wey say he dey do PS. See, you know him?
The gorgeous of them all. Hi, Beauty.
You! What arrant nonsense? What are you doing here?
I'm sorry. I'm actually here to see you.
Officer Musa, you said he has something to give to me.
Now wetin you talk? Bring the thing where you want give him.
Oh, yeah. I brought something for you. Here it is. I got you a bracelet. You will like it.
You bought this cheap necklace to woo me. Are you okay? Take this in and smell out of here, now! Get out!
Beauty, please. I beg you in the name of anything that you hold dear to. Do not push me away. Actually, I mean well.
You mean well. Listen, young man. To start with, we are not in same class, we are not in same level. Look at yourself from head to toe and look at me. Do I look like someone you can take care of? Do you think you can afford me? Oga, sew your coat according to your size. Like I said, get out!
Please, please. Why don't you accept me and see God do the magic? Or don't you believe in magic?
What magic?
Beauty. You are a steez. You are a paragon of purity. A lady that any man in his right senses would fall head over heels in love with. I fell in love with you from the very moment I set my eyes on your pretty face at the POS stand. I was captivated by your beauty.
But hold on. Were you not the guy that pulled a stunt at my gate the other day?
Yes, I was the one. I did what I did to get your attention. Beauty, please. I love you so much. All I'm asking of you is that you give me the opportunity to prove my unflinching love for you.
You will never get that opportunity. You're just a fool. Like I said, bounce.
Beauty, please don't do this.
Are you mad? If you ever in your miserable life touch me again, you won't like what I'll do to you. Bundle this idiot out of this compound, now!
Oh yeah, bros.
You're mad.
Please don't do this to me. I like you so much.
Bros! Oh yeah, move out. Alele. Beauty, please. No, they fear. Eh? Please talk to me. Boss! Please take it easy. They crazy. If they find love, under fire you, they don't believe like drugs. They scream, I see you here again. God punish you. See moral. Eh? Moral. Come find love. Hi.
Who is he? And what exactly is pursuing him? Are you sure he didn't try to get in trouble with the Johnsons? Well, you should have known that this house is a no-go area. Oh my God. Girl, tell me, who was that guy I just saw walking out of your compound?
Imagine that fool. He had the guts to come into my father's compound to woo me with one cheap necklace he bought from one aboki for 400 naira.
Okay, how did you both meet?
Well, I think it was POS down the road. I'm trying to understand what gave him the impetus to tell me nonsense.
If he came all the way here just to woo you, I think perhaps, he likes you. And I don't see any problem with it. Besides, you are a beautiful chick.
I see a huge problem with that. I can never date a broke guy, not to think of marrying him. I know what I want. I can never settle for less. Don't worry. My Melvin is equal to the task. He loves me as much as I love him.
Really?
Maybe he's very sweet though. That guy is too sweet. In fact, sweetness lies in between his thighs. He takes me to the moon and back.
Well, that's all good and nice, but did you see the guy that just left? Did you really take a good look at him? He's blessed with good looks. His body, the physique, everything. God, girl, come on.
Handsome, but broke. Good body with no 6 zeros in his account. Babes, shoe get size now.
Well, I know all of that. But I've seen a poor man get married and just like that, he suddenly came into wealth, became very rich. And I've also seen a rich man who became broke within the twinkle of an eye. So,
Dear friend, listen up. I want an already made guy. I am not ready to suffer with any man. Beauty is not ready to suffer with anybody. Ha! No.
My darling, come on. A woman's beauty is just like a flower. It fades when the sun hits hard. So think about it. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It's ticking. Come on.
I will not relent. I will do anything within my power to make sure that I have beauty. I must marry beauty. Yes. No matter what the push is, no matter the fights, the slaps, the insults, I will end at nothing but to make sure that I have her.
Hey, bro. You've been here and I've been knocking for like forever. Are you okay?
Good. Man, it's beautiful.
What about her?
I don't even know what to believe anymore. That girl, she's not giving me any green light. As a matter of fact, she's not coming around.
Bro, I have told you countless times to look elsewhere. Let me remind you who you are. 1, you are good looking. 2, you are wealthy. Now you do not deserve this level of emotional imbalance from a woman. Look elsewhere.
More reason I've got everything aside true love. My father, who is a soldier, married my mother out of love. I guess that's the reason why they ended up the way they did. Because of what happened between the both of them, I made a vow to myself never to end up the same way, which is to marry out of love. It has always been my biggest fear.
I understand you very clearly. But you don't have to remind me about a story that I already know of. I know everything. My point is just you getting married to a woman who values you. You see, my point is there are a lot of beautiful women out there who would just at once fall for you and be willing to get married to you. It mustn't be this lady.
Okay, listen. You still don't get the point. It's beauty or no one else. Listen, she's the one that I love. The one that I want to be with. The one that my heart have accepted. She's the one that I want to make the mother of my kids. It's my choice and my decision. It's what I want.
Can you hear yourself? Taking abuses, tolerating insults from a woman, and you are here praising her. Can you even hear how you sound? Forget about beauty. Look for someone else. Except you want to return to the States this time around without a wife. Which I believe was your major target when you were coming back. Get some sense.
Girl, embarrassing that cute guy in your father's compound is a no. There's a limit to which any guy can take from any babe.
Well, that serves him right. Next time, he will not come into this compound. Because if he does, I will ask Officer Musa to shoot him on his legs.
Can you just stop? Listen, no one has the monopoly of madness. You should understand that. That guy might just be planning to retaliate on what you just did to him.
Abigail, can you snap out of this? Have you forgotten I am the daughter of Major General Johnson? Nobody can do me anything. Nobody born of a human can hurt me. I'm not afraid.
Okay, agreed. But now, can you just, for once, give the guy the attention he craves for?
Wait, hold on. I want to understand something. Abigail, are you of the opinion that I date that good-for-nothing human being? That gold digger, that dirty person and leave my sweet Melvin? Really? Did you see that thing that walked out of his compound?
No, I'm sure that you are the person that is not really looking. Did you see him? Did you look at him properly? Come on. Listen, I think that guy might just like you.
I don't need this love. You should go to hell.
For once, can you just calm yourself down and not allow beauty cloud your judgment? Why are you allowing your beauty come into your head?
Are you insulting me? Is that what you're trying to do?
Far from that, my darling friend. All I'm saying is, we're done with school. Yes. And since you do not want to get a job, I am of the opinion that you should at least get married and give your parents grandchildren.
See who is talking. Kettle calling pot black. Are you married?
Well, if I was half as beautiful as you are, trust me, I would have been married with so many beautiful kids running around my table.
Which one is if you as half as if what? You are very beautiful. It's just that you don't have a crush. But since you don't have a crush, feel free to crush on Kajita. No, better still, I dash you. I don't want him. Have him all to yourself.
Same way you don't want my cousin Fred. Beauty.
What audacity? What are you talking about? That ingrate threw away the necklace that you bought for $500 away, and she referred to it as cheap. Does she even know how much that is worth in Nigerian currency?
Trust me, she have no idea. I watched that girl call what I bought for her cheap, right in front of me.
Can I ask you one question? What exactly do you find so intriguing, so attractive from this stupid girl that you can't even let go?
She's beautiful. She's the gorgeous of them all. The envy of all the women I've ever known in my life.
Very stupid of a thing to say. Foolish reason. Senseless. Beauty? Without brains? Rubbish. That girl is snobbish, rude, uncultured. She has no home training. Do I have to remind you the story of your father and mother? You told me that your father met your mother. She was the most beautiful one in the society, in the state. Even at the international sense, she was admired by everyone. But your father forgot to pay attention to details. He ignored all the red flags. Friends and family alike tried to speak sense into him. Continuously, your father refrained from those advices. What happened? He went ahead and got married to your mother. Your father took your mother to the United States of America. They were there. He showered her with all the affection, love, care, provision that any sane woman would cherish and hold tight, dear to her and forever. What did your mother do? I am sorry to remind you, but I have to. Your mother went ahead sleeping with every Dick, Tom, and Harry. Your father suffered psychologically. He was traumatized, but he kept loving your mother. At the end of the day, your mother, being an ingrate, decided to file for a divorce. The judge, as it is very common with America, sided and approved her divorce. Your mother left and never looked back. Your father wept, was heartbroken, was devastated. Do I have to remind you who raised you? You were single-handedly raised by your father as a single parent. He watched you grow into the man that you are today. Every single thing that you have, the credit goes to your father for never giving up. Now let me ask you this question. Do you want history to repeat itself? I guess not. So brace up.
Baby, you're not looking at me.
Babe, please. I need to finish this thing and submit it to my client immediately.
Wait, is this client important than me?
Babe.
Look, I need all the attention I can get. You should focus on me. What is this? Is that too much to ask?
Babe, what are you talking about? We just made out a few hours ago. And I said, okay, fine, let me sit back and arrange this, and you're here.
But I told you I wasn't satisfied.
Babe, please, I have to say this to you. Your insatiable quest for sex is really disturbing me, and it has gotten here. What is this?
Hey, my love, you are my man. For the fact that you are my man, I will not be able to cheat. As a matter of fact, I cannot cheat as long as I'm dating you. So, focus on me. Make yourself available whenever I want you.
Babe, please,
That's how it should be. Hey, baby, I need this thing back. Don't argue now. You're my man. Oh, baby. That was hot. You got me out there. Oh, you're strong. You're a man.
Okay, babe, I have a question to ask you.
I'm listening, baby.
What plans do you have for your life?
What are you talking about?
Okay. Do you ever think of getting a job?
I don't want to work. I'm fine the way I am.
I'm trying to understand how a first and second degree holder from Oxford University will sit around doing nothing.
Okay. I want to ask you my own question.
Okay.
Why have you not thought about marriage? We've been dating for 3 months now, and you have not talked about marriage or even thinking of throwing an engagement party for me. You have not met my parents, and you have not deemed it fit for me to see your parents. Why?
Beauty, what is wrong with you? For crying out loud, we've just dated for 3 months and not 3 years.
Okay, you want to date me for 3 years before you propose to me? It's all beginning to make sense to me now. You don't love me. You're just with me because of sex.
That's not true. Okay, fine. If I meant to say this, I'll say this to you right here, right now. You are the one who is begging me for sex. You are the one who is always wanting it, and I don't want it. I don't fancy it. For crying out loud, you're desperate. That is what it looks like. You want... Jesus Christ.
I am desperate. As in, you are calling me desperado, ain't it? No problem.
Another disappointment again. This girl is extremely beautiful. She looks more beautiful even when she's angry. Yeah. Beauty. She's a beautiful lady that any man in his right senses will fall head over heels in love with. Why is she being so difficult to get? What can I do to win her heart? Maybe I should get her flowers. Some ladies love flowers. Yes, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Get her flowers. I mean, she's everything and more that I want in a woman. I suffer perennial insomnia each time I think of her. And I will do anything within my power to get her.
I've been searching for a long time for you. When you drove by, I knew that you were the one. Yeah, I've tried to get you off my mind, but I failed. Oh, baby, give me a chance to love you. Oh,
How is that?
She's the one I love. Oh, yeah.
Wait, you again? Bros. What happened? What did they find?
I want to see Beauty.
Want to see Beauty?
Yes.
Again?
Bro, you know, I love Beauty so much. Please, help me and talk to her. Tell her to accept me. Please.
Why you know they hear word, guy? Eh? You dey find woman and for general house you can't find the woman. You won't die? Eh?
It's love. Oh.
It's love. Hey, come, what's your occupation? What do they do?
My occupation?
I
have a POS stand just down the street.
A POS?
Yes.
POS? Now you can't took eye for general picking.
It's love, my brother. I love her.
Who tell you that prophecy? You dey crazy so. You dey oh yeah. Fall out. They go like this first.
I should leave.
I'll work. They go like this.
Yeah, but I'm here to see.
I said they go like this. They go like this. Oh, yeah, fall out.
Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's this noise about?
Now this boy, the PS guy.
What is that behind you? What are you hiding?
I thought you like it.
Are you mad? Lizzy! Stupid. What are you doing?
You don't have to do this. I spent a fortune for this flower.
This will be the last time I'll set my eyes on you.
Beauty, you know that I love you so much. All I'm asking is for you to give me the opportunity to even love you more.
Musa,
Yes, man.
discipline him.
Eh?
Go down first. Bros, go down.
You don't have to do
Go down.
Take it easy now.
So that I warn you. Have I not warn you? Oh yeah, do frog jump. Stand up first. They jump.
Jump!
Oh yeah. Hold on.
Please give me attention after jumping.
They jump. I said I go brush you. One light a lie. I go punch.
I'm
Oh
jumping.
yeah, they jump.
How can you ask your officer to mete out such wickedness on this young man to the extent of asking him to frog jump? What is this?
He has crossed his boundary. Jump!
One.
My legs.
1, 2. Fresh. Start again. Again from beginning.
My leg is paining.
Oh yeah.
Please,
Musa, intensify it.
Now what? Your leg is paining.
I will jump.
Oh yeah, they jump.
Ask him to stop right now. Else I will leave.
Feel free to leave.
Really?
I'm not stopping you.
You think I'm bluffing?
Get out.
Okay.
Stop. Oh, stop.
Musa, stop!
Eh?
The next time I set my eyes on you again in this compound, you won't like what I will do to you. Throw this idiot out!
Hey.
Beauty, what is wrong with you?
Do you think you got the boss around?
See this guy. Ordinary POS guy, they took eye for general picking. Now Morana, no they fear.
Useless man. Next time in your entire miserable life, you will never come close to my father's gate. Nonsense.
Beauty, it's high time you stopped this show of stupidity. For crying out loud, are you the only girl that has a military father? Huh?
Mother, please, leave me alone.
Oh, really? I should leave you alone, right? My dear, an adult does not stay at home and watch a she-goat deliver in tears. No way. I cannot sit down and watch you do this evil to yourself. Because what you are doing to yourself right now is evil.
What is evil that I'm doing? What is evil in telling a man that I don't want him? That Kajatsan, or whatever his name is called, does he think I will ever stoop down to his level? Me? This beauty will come down to his level? That ugly trash?
Gosh, how come you are this beautiful but so insensitive? Huh? You are so unreasonable, so myopic, so unruly, so unrefined and uncultured. What is wrong with you?
Mother, you know better not to insult me. Like I said, leave me the hell alone.
You know what? Abigail is a beautiful girl from a rich background too. But she is so sensible. more sensible than you are? Why are you just a beautiful, uncultured fool? Why?
Well, you are the mother of a senseless person.
Very well then. I am going to sit here and watch you and love you to scorn when the time comes. In 10 years, 20 years, all this your beauty would have faded and wrinkles would have buried this your beautiful face and no man wants to visit. Rubbish. Beautiful. Okay. Let's watch and see.
Daddy, welcome.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Mom! Mom!
Where is she?
What do we have here?
Yes.
My husband.
Bye.
The husband of my youth. You're most welcome.
Thank you. How are you guys doing?
We're fine.
Oh, that's beautiful. Fantastic. So nice to hear from the two most beautiful women in my life.
Oh, my husband. You sure have your ways it went, you know.
It feels good to be home.
Yes, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, why don't you go upstairs, freshen up, you come downstairs and lunch together.
Oh, that's great. Right away, let's go. That reminds me, who is the man that has been disturbing my beautiful daughter? Who is he? Where is he from?
My honey, it's nothing. Just go upstairs, freshen up, come down, and we'll refresh. See, you have been away for a while and
I know that.
My guy, have you seen my girl recently?
Which girl are you talking about?
Which other girl? Beauty, of course.
What is it about this girl? Huh? How can you call a girl who hates your guts your girl? Make that make sense now.
I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been in love before?
I don't understand.
So I guess you do not have an idea how that feels. My guy, I love this girl.
We are talking money, you are talking love. Eh? Oh, they play. Let me tell you that her father just got back from his trip abroad. So in your best interest, avoid that surrounding. That gets everywhere, that junction, avoid it. Except you want to die. Of course, I know you don't want that.
Well, that's the best news I've heard today. So I can at least pay my would-be father-in-law a courtesy visit with a bottle of wine or maybe even champagne.
Yeah? What is that your name again?
Kajitan.
Kaji waiting.
Kajitan.
You don't like your life. Oh? I am telling you about a man, an army. A man who does not joke with his only daughter. And you are telling me about courtesy visit with wine. Your poverty-stricken wine. You just want to die.
Do I look like I'm afraid to die? Listen, I was trained to face war squarely, but I've been afraid of losing my life. Death will come when it will come.
Death will come when it will come. Okay. Death down they call you, and they pick the call. Death they call you, they pick the call.
Amazing. I think it's about time I make beauty all mine. For keeps. I see my wedding loading soon. Kajita weds beauty.
Sergeant. Sean, sir. Go down the road. Bring me that POS guy right here, now. Sean, sir. Go. I will so deal with him.
So after everything, you are still going ahead to propose to this same girl?
Yes. After I have long waited for her dad to come back so that I can officially propose to her right in his presence. And I feel like this is the perfect time. So you should be happy for me as your guy. Are you not happy for me?
Love is a bastard. Look at you. Looking like a fool because of love. Has your brain gone numb? This girl's father is a top officer in the army.
Okay. So because he's a top officer in the army, are you expecting me to be scared of him or what? What are you insinuating?
You've not learned at all. And I'm sorry for you.
Listen, there's nothing anyone will do to stop me. It's this girl that I want. I will enter nothing but to make sure that I get married to Beauty. She's too beautiful. She's everything and more that I ever wanted in a woman.
I feel for you. I really feel for you. Can you just wake up from this daydreaming? This girl has already stated her stance in this entire drama, yet you are here messing up yourself.
Which is?
She doesn't want you. If you don't understand, let me tell you. She hates you. She doesn't find you attractive. You irritate her. In fact, everything negative, she sees it in you. And to make it even worse, she sees you as a broke guy. Now she's avoiding you like a plague.
Okay, so she doesn't want me. Is it you that she wants? And come to think of it, who says that broke men don't deserve beautiful women?
Wait. Where is the idiot? Show sir. Yes. This is the idiot.
What am I doing here, sir? Ma.
So you are the fool that has been stalking my daughter.
Stalking?
The Major General's daughter. A bloody civilian like you.
Sir, I am not Kajetan. You have the wrong person, sir.
So all of a sudden now you started denying your identity, your name.
I am James. I'm not Kajetan, sir.
Sergeant. Sure, sir. Tie this man and whip him until he starts bleeding all over his body. Yes, sir.
Hey, what is going on? What is going on?
What?
What? Yes, sir. Wait. I am James.
Come on, James. Stop it.
I am James.
Hold on.
Hey! Father, this is not Kajetan.
This is not the POS guy that has been disturbing you?
No, you have the wrong person.
I am not Kajetan. Hey.
Matthew, what is wrong with you? Let him go.
Now son of a disappear from here.
They see Tutu.
What are you still doing there? Disappear.
Leave him alone.
I said leave here now. Am I not talking to you? I said double, I can't. You want me to deal with you now? You want me to drill you?
Why don't you just call this whole thing a quit? I have this very strong feeling that this is not going to end well.
Well, nothing is going to happen.
I have a very strong feeling that this proposal is going to go wrong. Just like the ones on the internet.
No, nothing of that is going to happen. Listen, I love Beauty so much. And I'm not letting her go. I'll do anything within my power to make sure that I marry that girl.
Are you a joker? Are you a joker? Why are you making a fool of yourself? My understanding of love, which I believe everyone out there will agree with me, is it is a two-sided thing. You give, you take. But in your own case, it is one-sided. Just you and you and you alone. Why?
Well, see it from my own perceptions, and the truth is that I am the man here, and it is my duty to make her fall in love, to love her, while she submits entirely to me when we are married.
Why are you sounding so archaic and unreasonable?
Listen, please. I need you to allow me follow my heart. I believe this is two adults having a conversation.
Okay.
You haven't been in love before, so I'm sure you do not know how that feels. Allow me follow my heart. She is the one that I want.
Officer, stop now. I'm only in love. I didn't kill anybody. It's love.
Only in love. Now if you're forced to love person no love you. Person say he no want you. Now by force. Why you go love who no love you? Don't be saying an ordinary person carry eye put for general application.
Hey!
Don't get your head.
Idiot! Take your stupid beauty. Nonsense. Get out!
Oh yeah, they move. You move. You move fine. Come out your teeth now.
What madness is this? Ordering an officer to pick up your chica who just simply proposed to you? Is that not preposterous?
Listen, there is no way I am offering this beautiful body to that trash. It's not happening.
Can you just come down from cloud 9? What is wrong with you, Beauty?